Small size, large capacity. Compact. This mini dishwasher can hold 4 bowls of rice, 7 plates, 3 large cups, 2 milk bottles, 12 tableware and forks. It is only 18.03 inches high, which is suitable for the height requirements of most kitchen cabinets. Subtract the lid of the tank and it's only 17.9 inches tall. Reasonable design. Water leakage prevention. Dishwasher double sprays on the upper and lower sides, high temperature and high pressure spray water, so that stains have nowhere to hide. Reasonable design. Solve the problem of water leakage, washing dishes, purifying ingredients. Multifunctional use. Dishwashing machine can not only wash dishes, but also wash fruits and vegetables to remove pesticide residues. With the function of purifying ingredients and cleaning tableware, multiple program options, easy to operate. The touch screen switch can select 5 washing programs. The operation is simple and convenient, and small dishwasher can meet different selection requirements. 3-in-1 function with hot air drying mode. Portable countertop dishwasher is equipped with the functions of dishwasher, dryer, and cabinet to keep your tableware dry and odor-free. Portable. No installation required. Dishwasher countertop support 2 water supply modes. Compact dishwasher built-in 5L water tank. You can add water manually or connect the faucet to work. Efficient. Cleaning effect. Fastest wash time. Ultra-fast mode only takes 29 minutes. The ChuMaste dishwasher uses a 360-degree spiral high-pressure spray arm, and there is no dead space for the upper and lower double spray cleaning dishes. The washed dishes are as clean as new. During use, please make sure that the filter of the machine is installed firmly. Otherwise, if it is used for a long time, the mouth of the upper and lower spray arms will be blocked by food residue, which may cause the spray arm not to rotate, thereby affecting the cleaning effect.